Hi everyone and welcome to the CBC Laundry. Here I am to teach you a life skill in under 2 minutes. Before we get underway, parents, I know you're watching. I need you to yell out to your son, wherever he might be in your house, and say this is going to be the most important lesson that he learns today. Today we're going to learn how to use the washing machine. I know what the boys are thinking. Are you serious? Absolutely. Parents, you can thank me later. And here we go. I'm going to teach you how to use the washing machine. So here we are again in the laundry, and as we go down, there is our washing machine. Stock standard, run of the mill, has all the bells and whistles, the same bells and whistles as most washing machines do. Up the top here we have our control button with all our different settings that we need, and as we scroll across we have our little monitor that tells us how long we've got, and then we've got our detergent bin where we chuck all the detergent to make it nice and clean. What I have done, and here's something that I've prepared earlier, and something that's really essential, gentlemen, for your washing, is that we need to separate our whites and our darks. Inside our laundry, inside our tub, we've got our white tea towels from the catering department, and that's already in there, but we've also got just to the left our darks and our colours. Now what's key and what's pivotal is you don't want to be mixing the two. You want your whites nice and bright and vibrant, and then you want your colours nice and bright as well. And if you cross those over, your whites are going to be dull and your colours aren't going to be the best as well. Alright, so there we are. We've got our tub full of the white tea towels, and I'm going to turn this over to cottons, just up the top. It says that we've got an hour and 33 in here again. What we've done earlier is placed a scoop full of detergent into the detergent tray. We'll close that and press start. And it's as simple as that, gents. Put it in, place in the detergent, make sure you got the correct setting, and press start. The key aspect though, gents, is don't forget the laundry's in there. You've got to come out, you've got to hang it up on the line a little bit later as well. Happy washing, all the best, good luck.